Tesla, the electric vehicle manufacturer that has redefined the automobile industry with its disruptive technology, has announced a new master plan, and it's not about producing another new car. This time around, CEO Elon Musk's focus is on the bigger picture of planet Earth. As climate change increasingly threatens the stability of our planet, Tesla's mission is to advance the adoption of sustainable energy in order to mitigate the effects of global warming. The company seeks to achieve this through a multi-pronged approach, which includes not only the production of electric vehicles but also renewable energy generation and storage. At the core of Tesla's new master plan is a vision to create a sustainable energy ecosystem. This vision entails transitioning the world's energy infrastructure away from fossil fuels and towards clean, renewable energy sources. The company's long-term goal is to create a world that runs entirely on sustainable energy. Introduction to Tesla's new master plan and its significance. Tesla has recently released a new master plan, which outlines the company's ambitious goals for the future. While the first master plan, released in 2006, focused on accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy through the production of electric vehicles and energy storage products, the new plan expands upon this vision. According to Tesla CEO Elon Musk, the new plan aims to create stunning solar roofs with seamlessly integrated battery storage, expand the company's electric vehicle fleet to include trucks and buses, and provide shared autonomous vehicles that can be summoned by users at any time. The significance of this plan lies in Tesla's continued efforts to revolutionize the transportation and energy industries, while simultaneously addressing the urgent need to combat climate change. By creating innovative solutions that rely on renewable energy sources, Tesla is paving the way towards a sustainable future. Tesla's focus on sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. One of Tesla's key focuses throughout its history has been on sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. The company's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and they have worked tirelessly to promote that goal. Tesla has made significant strides in achieving this aim through the development and deployment of electric vehicles and energy storage solutions. Over the years, the company has continued to invest in research and development to make its products more energy efficient and eco-friendly. Tesla's efforts have played a substantial role in reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable energy production, which has led to recognition from environmental groups and policymakers alike. Going forward, Tesla is poised to continue leading the charge towards a more sustainable future, and remains committed to its mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Expansion into energy storage solutions and renewable energy sources. Tesla has recently revealed a new master plan, and it does not revolve around creating a new car model but, rather, expanding into energy storage solutions and renewable energy sources. This plan represents the company's focus on sustainability, which has been a core principle from the company's conception. Tesla's plan includes the integration of solar energy generation and storage in homes and businesses, and the development of affordable electric cars. The company's goal is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and this new master plan demonstrates the company's strategy to achieve this ambitious goal. By expanding into energy storage solutions and renewable energy sources, Tesla's plan will mitigate global warming and improve the quality of life for people around the world. With Tesla's innovation and determination, its new plan will drive the world to a more sustainable future. Investment in research and development of innovative technologies. One of Tesla's key strategies for expanding its impact is investment in research and development of innovative technologies. The company is known for its cutting-edge approach to mobility and alternative energy solutions, but Elon Musk has noted that there are many areas where new breakthroughs are possible. By investing heavily in advancing the state-of-the-art in areas like battery technology, renewable energy sources, and artificial intelligence, Tesla aims to create a virtuous cycle of innovation that will drive growth and new opportunities in the years to come. These efforts will not only benefit Tesla itself, but will also contribute to the broader mission of creating a sustainable future for the planet. With an increasing focus on reducing carbon emissions and achieving a more sustainable way of living, the potential impact of these investments is vast and exciting. Finally, Tesla's new master plan is an ambitious vision for a sustainable future. By focusing on sustainable energy solutions, Tesla is not only leading the charge in reducing our carbon footprint, but also creating new opportunities for growth and investment. There is no doubt that Tesla's work will play a crucial role in the future of our planet, and we can only hope that other companies will follow their lead. in developing innovative solutions to the environmental challenges we face today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.